If you want to adjust the column manually, it will take time. So we have some columns here. This one we have to change it automatically instead of adjusting manually. So we can use Visual Basics in order to change it the column automatically. Click Developer, click on Visual Basic, where our sheet name sheet 15, where we have to change worksheet selection change. Type here cells dot entire column dot autofit. Select autofit, then again go to Excel. We can see it's automatically fitted. So the columns are automatically fitted. Now I can type anything. Now it's automatically fitted the columns. Suppose we can try other text. So note this codings on the worksheet selection change cells dot entire column dot auto fit. I hope you understand this video.